Well, good morning, everybody. Here we are back at Okies Eden in my subscriber garden. I've started digging the holes, and as you saw, I was measuring up my dimensions on my other trellises. They're 36 by 16. So all I'm going to do, I come in here, I'll shoot some paint there. There. And here. And then what'll happen is I will dig these holes. And they're big enough, so even if the measurements are a little off, everything will fit. So that will be the placement of my trellis. To dig, all I do is I'm going to come out here with my metal bar. This breaks it up. It loosens the soil. Simple as that. I'm hoping to build the trellis tomorrow and maybe set it on Thursday so I can complete this video. But that is going to be pretty much where it's going to set. You can see how hard the ground is. This ground is going to take some work. Before it's able to be used as a garden, but that's why I have all this grass and wood shavings on here. So stick around for the next scene where you'll see me finish the holes, and then I can put the trellis and mount it, put cement in and get it secure, and then finish it up. Okay, everybody, there we have it. The entrance to the subscriber garden, the entrance trellis is set in the ground. It is plumb and level on all sides. It has cement in the holes. It's curing now. I'll give it 4 or 5 hours, and then I can come out and I can take the braces off because it's quick curing cement. And you can see my fence. And I decided for now, since I don't have sunflowers here till next year, I'm going to put my cast iron sunflower right there on that fence. So once these are pulled up, I will pack the dirt down inside there. And then, other than tilling this up over the winter a couple times, subscriber garden is ready to plant for next year. So let's get her done and see you in the next video.